Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Zoho CRM dashboards for sales performance, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, log into your Zoho CRM account. Navigate to the home dashboard. On the left sidebar, find and click on the dashboards option. Here, you will see the existing dashboards, if any. To create a new dashboard, click on the new dashboard button located at the top right corner. You will be prompted to enter a name for your dashboard. Choose a descriptive name that reflects its purpose for sales performance tracking. After naming your dashboard, select the layout that best fits your needs. Zoho CRM offers various layouts like grid or column formats. Once you've set the layout, click Create. Now, it's time to add widgets that display relevant sales performance data. Click on the Add Widget option. You will see a list of available widgets such as charts, tables, and KPIs. Select the type of widget you would like to add. For sales performance, consider using pie charts or bar graphs for visual representation. After choosing a widget type, configure its settings. Set the data source for your widget to reflect the correct sales metrics. You can choose parameters like sales by region or monthly sales comparison. Once the settings are in place, click Save. Continue adding more widgets to your dashboard to represent different aspects of sales performance. Try to include a balanced mix for comprehensive insights. After finalizing all the widgets, rearrange them if necessary by dragging and dropping. Once satisfied with your layout, click on the Save Dashboard button. Your dashboard is now live and ready to use. Periodically check back to refine and update your widgets, ensuring you have the most accurate data. Utilize the dashboard to monitor ongoing sales performance effectively. Regularly review your dashboard for insights that can inform your sales strategies. This completes your installation of Zoho CRM dashboards for sales performance. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.